I wasn't planning to review Insmind AI. I actually opened it because I needed to remove the background from a product photo. That was it. 5 minutes later, I found myself testing image generation, AI product photos, image expansion, and even AI video features. And honestly, that wasn't what I expected. Most AI tools try to do one thing really well. Insmind AI tries to do almost everything creators need in one place, so I decided to see if it could actually replace the other tools I use every day. The first thing I tested was a product image. One click, the background disappeared. Then I generated a new background that looked like a professional studio. If you ever paid for product photography, you immediately understand why that's useful. Next, I tested the AI image generator. Some images came out surprisingly realistic. Others needed a better prompt. That seems to be the pattern with almost every AI tool right now. The AI isn't reading your mind, it's reading your instructions. Then I tried the video features, and here's what caught me off guard. Instead of jumping between different websites for editing, generating, and enhancing, I could do most of it in one workflow. That saved more time than I expected. Now here's what nobody tells you. Insmind AI isn't necessarily the absolute best at every single feature. There are tools that generate better images. There are tools with stronger AI video models. But very few combine this many creative features into one platform. And that's where the value really is. If you're a Shopify seller, YouTuber, freelancer, agency owner, or small business, switching between 5 different AI tools gets expensive. Insmind AI reduces that problem. So is it the best AI image and video generator? I'd say it's one of the best all-in-one options I've tested. Not because every feature is perfect, but because everything works together. And honestly, that's what most creators actually need. One place to create, edit, improve, and publish without wasting hours moving files between different apps. For me, that's what makes Insmind AI worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.